So here's a quick setup of the Ray-Ban Meta glasses that I received. This was a replacement, so this is my second one. It was easy to claim the warranty, but here's the model, Wayfarer 0045. And all you need to do to get that up and running is you have to make sure that you've downloaded the Meta app in your phone. So from there, go to the settings, and then you have to click the symbol, the glasses symbol. And then now you can pick the glasses, the kind of Meta glass you have, and then it will give you step-by-step instruction on how to set it up. And there's a protective tab that you need to remove before you can use your glasses. So make sure you read the instructions. It's automatically going to give it to you as soon as you have the Meta AI app in your phone, and then as soon as you click on that glass symbol. Make sure you find that protective tab. Mine fell, so it's there. So that should be off so you can start charging the Meta glass. So that's it. And here I found my Ray-Ban Meta glass, because mine is the sunglasses, so you're gonna have to pick that as an option. And then you will need to turn on the Bluetooth. So make sure before you set up, you go to your phone settings and turn on the Bluetooth. I've had this one turned off, so it gives you a warning in the app. So it's gonna light up while you're trying to pair it. So this is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to pair the Meta glass to my phone. So all the videos and photos I'm taking is gonna go to this phone. So it will show you that it's already paired. So once it's paired, you can continue with the setup. There will be a tutorial after you've paired it, but you can skip it. So if you want to just go through right away to using the glasses, you can skip the tutorial and then just follow the instructions on the screen. It's gonna be really easy. So it's gonna give you a step-by-step instruction on what to do. So the capturing pictures and videos. So this is just the quick setup, so you can use it right away without having to sit and watch the whole tutorial. So it's going to show you where to find the on and off button, the volume, the button to press for taking a photo, and also for taking videos. So you're gonna see this as you set it up. Just you hit continue, and it's gonna give you a couple of sample instructions. So you know what you can tell your Meta glass, it's just a sample of what you can ask. So it will definitely, as long as you're connected to the internet, you will get your answer. You will just say hey Meta onto it. So if you actually do the hey Meta, what am I looking at? It's gonna scan your environment and it's gonna tell you exactly what it sees. So you can go through this if you want. If not, you can skip it. But this is very useful because sometimes we're very excited to use because it's a new toy, so you want to use it right away. But there are a lot of tutorials that you can get into with the Meta glass in here. So these are just a few of them, just giving you some samples. You can chat. And here you'll have the option if you want to share your some of your information to or whatever it is in your glasses to Meta AI. So you have the option to share the additional data if you want. And then from there, it's just gonna give you a couple more just quick preview of what you will see. And then of course, if you want to set it up with social media with your phone, you can do it. You can personalize it. I'm gonna start doing that. This is just gonna be the first step. And then here is your actual Meta glass that's already installed. It's gonna say not connected until you connect it. It will automatically do it as you turn it on.